Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. This video is long overdue. I have so much editing to do, you guys. So many things coming, so just bear with me, okay? So this is like a kind of quick get ready with me. Lately I have been doing some editing on my phone, and I need to try to get the hang of this new editing software that I have on my computer. So I have a lot of things going on, but don't worry, we're going to get these videos coming, okay? So I'm going in with my Mary Kay foundation in bronze number 3. As always, I'm using this Real Techniques brush, and this brush is pretty nice. It's on a slant and everything, and I think that kind of makes it easy to work with. It's really soft. I do recommend to clean the brushes often. Of course, they work better when they're clean, but if you're someone who likes to work with dirty brushes, then it's not going to work that well for you. So I would suggest to clean them every week. I went in with the bronze number 1 to highlight, and I'm going in with this light bronze concealer. And I have ran out of this concealer yet again, so I need to get some more concealer. As you can see, I am blending it up onto my eyelid. And this is my quick get ready, my flawless foundation routine, all of that. Now I'm going in with these Mary Kay pressed powders to set everything. And of course, I'm going to put the lightest shade on the areas where I highlighted, and I'm going to put that darker shade where I applied the bronze number 3. And if you kind of crease up under your eyes a little bit, going in with the smaller brush will kind of help really get that powder in there. I have braids in my hair right now, and I took 2 rows out in the back. So I am just so excited. These are almost out, so I can put a wig on. I can't wait for it to get cold so I can really wear my wigs and not have to worry about sweating up under them or anything like that. I'm using this good old faithful contour palette that I've been telling y'all about for forever. Got it from my local beauty supply store. $1.99. Going in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. And y'all see how flawless that face is looking? Look at that. Snatched. So that is the eye look, and that is the wig. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little flawless finish foundation routine video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some suggestions in the comments about what you guys want to see next. And I will see you in the next video. That's a wrap.